Hi friends, today we will deal with the heme synthesis. Okay, what is this heme? Heme is nothing but a prosthetic group or protein. Okay, simply it is protein or prosthetic group. The heme structure consists of ferrous iron complexed with protoporphyrin 9. Okay, ferrous iron means iron, right? So, ferrous iron complexed with the protoporphyrin 9 is known as heme. You should remember it. Ferrous iron plus protoporphyrin 9 is known as heme. So, what are the heme containing proteins? First one, hemoglobin. Simply, hemoglobin contains heme. The other molecules which contain heme are myoglobin, cytochrome oxidase, heme peroxidase, catalase, endothelial nitric oxide synthase. So, if somebody asks you what are the heme containing compounds or heme containing proteins, you should write hemoglobin, myoglobin, cytochrome oxidase, heme peroxidase, catalase, and endothelial nitric oxide synthase. Okay. So, our topic is heme synthesis, right? To synthesize heme, there should be ferrous ion and protoporphyrin ion. Ferrous ion is present in our body, so we have to synthesize this protoporphyrin ion. After synthesizing this protoporphyrin ion, the ferrous ion is incorporated into this protoporphyrin ion and heme is formed. Okay. So we will deal with synthesis of protoporphyrin ion, which is the part of heme synthesis. Okay. Before that, we have to know the structure of heme. Okay. We know there is a ferrous ion in the center. This is the ferrous ion, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 pyrrole rings. Okay. What is this pyrrole ring? Pyrrole ring is nothing but a 5-membered ring. This is the 5-membered pyrrole ring. Iron in the central part. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. The number is given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pyrrole rings. These 4 pyrrole rings are connected by methynyl bridges. Here is the methynyl bridge, another methynyl bridge, another methynyl bridge, another methynyl bridge. These methynyl bridges, that is double bond CH. Methynyl bridge means double bond CH. These 4 pyrrole rings are connected with the methynyl bridges, which is termed as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. 4 methynyl bridges are there, which is termed as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. So, iron in the central part, 1, 2, 3, 4 pyrrole rings. These 4 pyrrole rings are connected by methynyl bridges, which is double bond CH, which is termed as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Hope you are clear with the structure of heme. Okay. So, we will move to next slide. What are the forms of heme? The forms of heme are A, B, C. Okay. Heme B is present in hemoglobin. Which form of heme is present in hemoglobin? It is B. Okay. Heme A and C is present in mitochondria and required for oxidative phosphorylation. Okay. Then heme A in cytochrome A and heme C in cytochrome C. Okay, cytochrome A, heme A is present. In cytochrome C, heme C is present. In hemoglobin, heme B is present. Okay. Then we will move to heme synthesis. For heme synthesis, there are 8 steps. How many steps? There are 8 steps. I will I will divide these steps into 3. 1, 4 and 3. Okay. 1, 4 and 3, because first step of heme synthesis occurs in mitochondria. Then next 4 steps occurs in cytosol. Then next 3 step occurs in mitochondria again. Before that, you should know where heme synthesis is occurred. The organ or tissue where heme synthesis occurs is erythrocyte in bone marrow and hepatocytes in liver. Erythrocytes in bone marrow and hepatocytes in liver synthesize heme. As you know, subcellular level, mitochondria and cytosol takes part in heme synthesis. First step in mitochondria, next 4 steps in cytosol, next 3 steps in mitochondria again. Heme is directly absorbed from the intestine. Okay. This is the step 1 or synthesis of aminolevulinic acid. This is the step 1 of what we have to synthesize protoporphyrin 9, right? Protoporphyrin plus iron is known as heme, right? So the first step of protoporphyrin 9 synthesis or heme synthesis is synthesis of aminolevulinic acid. Okay. This step occurs in the mitochondria. Rate limiting step of this pathway is this step. First step is the rate limiting pathway of the heme synthesis. In first step, what is occurring is succinyl coenzyme A react with the glycine to form delta aminolevulinic acid or delta ALA. Is succinyl coenzyme A is getting from TCA cycle. You learned the TCA cycle in your plus 2 classes. You know succinyl coenzyme is a byproduct in TCA cycle. The succinyl coenzyme A react with an amino acid known as glycine in the presence of pyridoxal phosphate with the enzyme allosynthetase. Yes, allosynthetase or aminolevulinic acid synthase to form delta aminolevulinic acid. This is the first step of heme synthesis and this is the rate limiting step of heme synthesis and this occurs in mitochondria. Okay, this occurs in mitochondria. Next 4 steps where it is occurring, that is in cytosol. So this delta aminolevulinic acid should be transported to cytosol. Okay. The second step is synthesis of porphobilinogen. Okay. Before that, you should know that this delta aminolevulinic acid is a monopyrrole ring. Okay, you know that in heme structure, you have learned that there are 4 pyrrole rings. There are 4 pyrrole rings, that is 5-membered ring. Delta aminolevulinic acid is a monopyrrole ring. We need 4 pyrrole ring to synthesize heme. Here, 1 pyrrole ring is formed known as delta aminolevulinic acid. This is the first pyrrole ring. Okay. Then second step, synthesis of porphobilinogen. Shortly it is known as PBG. Okay. 2 delta aminolevulinic acid. How many? 2 delta aminolevulinic acid in the presence of ALA dehydratase forms porphobilinogen. Okay. 2 aminolevulinic acid in the presence of ALA dehydratase to form porphobilinogen. Here ALA dehydratase is the enzyme and this ALA dehydratase is a zinc containing enzyme. This is a zinc containing enzyme. So this ALA dehydratase is inhibited by lead. Should remember it as lead inhibit ALA dehydratase. Okay. So first step is over and second step is over. The third step is the synthesis of HMB or hydroxymethylbilane. Okay, what is this hydroxymethylbilane? We will learn. 4-PBG. Okay. PBG is formed in second step. 4-PBG in the presence of HMB synthase form hydroxymethylbilane or HMB by removing 4NH3. Okay. 4 ammonia is removed and 4-PBG or to form hydroxymethylbilane.